Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate a unique email address in Postman using a pre-request script. This is really useful when you need to avoid duplicate emails in API testing, especially for registration. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more testing tips and tricks. Let's begin. Add new request inside this collection. Click on add request and change request name create user. In create user, suppose you want to create a new user or registration, so you need to select method here post and then enter URL here. Open Chrome browser. This API for create a new user by sending a post request with the required user data. So in this request, you need to select method and enter URL. Enter complete URL here and then enter data in body section. Click on body raw and enter data here. In this request, you need to pass name, email, password. Copy this complete body data and enter here in body section. Now, in this scenario, we need to generate a unique email address because sometimes you are performing testing, you getting user already registered. So in this scenario, you need to generate a unique email address. For generating a unique email address, you need to write script, pre-request script. Here in pre-request, use JavaScript to configure this request dynamically. This pre-request will be executed before running this request. First, unique email will be generated and then this request will be sent to the server. Here you will generate a unique email. Let time stamp. We will use time stamp for generating a unique email address. Timestamp is equal to date dot now. Let unique email is equal to test user underscore and then enter this variable name which is timestamp. Dollar curly bracket timestamp and then enter domain @example.com. Now set this unique email address in environment. So here we will use em dot environment dot set unique email comma unique email. Now with the help of timestamp, we will generate a unique email address. Here we enter this variable name which is timestamp and this is the domain test user and then set this unique email in environment. Let's create a new environment. We need to create a new environment. So click on environment and then click on this plus button, create a new environment. Enter here. We do not need to define here variable or initial value. This script will automatically set variable and then enter current value here. Change environment name, generate unique email. Now save this request. You need to save this request. So click on save. Now we can run this API. First select environment, generate unique email, click on this collections. Now click on send. Request is sending to the server, but we are getting this email? Because we need to define a variable name here in body section. Enter variable name here, unique email. Now, unique email will be generated. First, it will save to the environment, and here we just enter variable name. Click on send. As you can view here, unique email has been generated successfully. Let's again click on send. Now, every time this unique email generate, if you want to view this unique email in environment, so click over on this unique and then click on variables in request. Now you can view here unique email, and this is the email. Click on environment, unique email, and first it will enter variable name, which is unique email, and then enter a unique generated email in current value. Now again click on here send. As you can view here, unique email generated successfully. That's our for today tutorial on generate unique email address in Postman for your API test. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to World for more automation and testing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.